Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. The performance report for Anthony in West Virginia on this Galaxy DX93T. Anthony, we got this thing all lined up here, ready to go. Got it modulating and adulating all over sideband, AEM. Good to go. Right there, right now. I'm going to show you what we got. I'm going to turn the RF power in the low setting. 5-watt slug, 1.5 watts. Medium setting, 4.5. And for the high setting, we'll go over the 100-watt scale. 9 watts. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the average power. Hello, audio. About 38 watts of average power. Let's go to the peak side. Hello, audio. That's 74 watts peak. Alright, she's ready to go, my friend. Got her all lined out for you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.